So this question is taken from March 2021, paper 3 variant 2. And this is the first question of the paper. So whenever you are supposed to solve the logarithmic equation, you always look into if logarithms are present on every term or logarithms are present on some term and some terms are non-logarithmic terms. In this way, you will be able to understand how you can proceed with the question. So in this question, because we are having logarithms on each term, what I'll do, I'll try to have 1 or minus 1, either of that as the coefficients of every log terms. And then I can combine them together and then remove the logarithms by introducing e as the base on each side. So let's see how I can go about this. I can say that this is same as writing ln of x cubed minus 3 is equals to ln of x cubed minus ln 3. Now, if I want, I can take all the ln terms on left side, or if I want, I can keep one ln term on the left side, one ln term on the right side. It's up to me. Basically, I want ln terms as only one single term on each side, or maybe convert everything on the one side and keep zero on the other side. In both the ways, you can get the answers. So let's say if I'm trying to keep all the ln terms on one side, what it's going to look like. Ln of x cubed minus 3, then minus ln x cubed, then plus ln 3 is equal to 0. From here, if I want to just combine the ln terms, I can apply the addition multiplication rule for both of them so that it becomes ln of 3x cubed minus 9. And then from that, if I do minus ln x cubed, I can use subtraction rule over there, subtraction division rule. So it's basically going to look like the shortcut trick is the terms with the positive coefficient, always multiply them together. The inputs should be multiplied. So 3x cubed minus 9. And the ln term with the negative coefficients, keep those inputs on the denominator. And everything is equal to 0. Now, if you want to get rid of the logarithm, in this case, logarithm is having a base of e. So I'm going to introduce e as the base on both the sides and raise the entire equation to the power of e. And from here, if I try to solve, I know that e to the power of ln of something is equal to something. So this is same as writing 3x cubed minus 9 over x cubed is equal to anything to the power of 0 is 1. From here, I can say that 3x cubed minus 9 is equal to x cubed, and therefore x cubed is equals to 9 by 2. And from here, you can take the cube root and you can solve for x and give your answer correct to 3SF as it's required in the question. So 9 by 2 to the power of 1 by 3. So you got 1.65 correct to 3SF. So this is your final solution for this question. You can always go ahead and cross check this by saying that, okay, if I put x in this equation as whatever is the answer that I got, am I getting 0 on the other side? If yes, then of course your answer is correct. So ln of answer cube, remember the answer is storing the value that we just got over here. So minus 3, then I'm having minus ln x cube, and then plus ln 3. You can see that we are getting 0. It means that the answer that we have got over here must be correct. So I hope that this has given you an idea that how you can solve a logarithmic equation if you are having logs on every terms. Just make all the ln terms either having the same coefficient, it could be positive or negative, and then just apply addition, subtraction, multiplication, division rules, and eventually get the value of x.